Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today we're showing you how I installed these crochet locks. This is the hair that I'll be using today. These are French Curl Locks, 18 inches long, and I used about a total of 6 packs. I'll put the link of this hair in my description box if you want to check that out. This is the braiding pattern that I did. I just did the illusion method at the front of my hair, just like 2 rows, and for the rest of my hair just did regular cornrows. So I usually start with the back of my head, so I'll just take the crochet hook and start installing the locks until the back is fully covered. Then when I'm done with that, I'll just finish with the rest of my hair. So I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video, and if you have any questions you can just drop them in the comment section, and I'll also make sure to put the link of this hair and all the details in my description box if you want to check that out.